Right, in this section we've got some data that has been subtotaled, and what we can do is we can expand and collapse the various outline levels. So as you can see at the moment we see everything, and if you look you've got these controls 1, 2, 3, and you've got these controls here as well. So first of all, let's click on where it says number 1. What that does, it gives you one level, which is basically it looked at all the data here, and the grand total of sales for all these people and all these regions is this. If I click on 2, then what we do is we go next level up, so we can see the grand total down here, and that's made up of these 4 individual subtotals, as you can see. Then if we click on 3, you can see that expands out so we can see all the detail. So at like one level, if you like, just the the grand total. 2 gives you the various sub-levels, in this case east, west, north and south, and the grand total underneath, and 3 basically shows you all the detail. So that collapses or expands the entire levels for the entire data. What I can do is I can use these controls to collapse or expand individual data. So for instance, if we look here, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 different items that make up the total here for the east total. Now if I click on the minus, can you see what happens? That collapses that down, so we don't see the detail for the east, just the total. In the same way here for the other ones here, if I click here, that will give me the total for the south, but not the detail. If I want to see more detail, I can click here and open up. So I click on all the minus signs here, that collapses it all down. And if I want to see detail maybe just for the north, I would click here, so I can see these, the north total here is made up of these sub-elements here. So that's how you control the outline view, which is very useful to examine your data in detail.